sharing this commercial. This is you can lease a 2008 BMW 320e, which is $369 a month plus tax.
Introducing the Bank AmeriCard Rewards Visa Credit Card. With no annual fee and more flexibility than other reward cards, it gives our customers 50% more reward points with every purchase. So all you have to do is use it and let the rewards take you where you want to go. Bank AmeriCard Rewards, the best card ever from Bank of America. Bank of Opportunity. Go ahead and count back from 10.
Evan.
Abductive thriller of the year.
Hi. Hi there. Hi.
Working at the Big Lots North Pole, I like it.
Where are you going?
It's festive.
Hey.
We have it all.
Evan.
Gifts, the decorations.
Hi.
Making Christmas great.
La 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 la. Happy New Year.
$20 each. And don't miss the huge
Hey.
closeout.
Hey. Stop watching TV. What are you doing? It's going to be a little TV feed.
Massachusetts almost had her holiday savings taken away. The woman from Turner Falls.
Hi. Hi, baby.
The car accidentally slipped away with her purse sitting on top.